Right click on a project, click on new, then click on new file. We will give the file name as dropdownlist.py. From Selenium import WebDriver. We will import by. We'll import the select from selenium.webdriver.support. We'll call the Chrome driver method and we'll pass the path of the Chrome driver for that method. We'll maximize the driver window using the maximize window method. Now in a get method we'll pass the URL. We will call the implicit wait method and we'll provide a 10 seconds as a wait time. We'll open the URL in the Chrome driver and we'll inspect the dropdown. We can see the dropdown has a tag name as select and ID attribute with the name select demo. In options we have a text of the weekday names, and in value attributes also we are able to see the name of the weekdays. Using driver we'll call the find element by ID method. We'll copy the ID attribute, that is select demo, and we'll paste it in a find element by ID. We'll assign this web element to the element. In a select method we'll pass the element as attribute and we'll assign it to the dropdown. First we'll see select by visible text method. Using dropdown we'll call select by visible text method and we'll pass Wednesday as a parameter to select by visible text method. Now we'll see select by index. Using dropdown we'll call the select by index method. We'll pass the index as a 2 and with respect to the list it will come as Monday. The last method we have it is select by value. Using dropdown we'll call select by value method. When we inspect we have a value attributes in our option. We'll copy the Friday value attribute and we'll copy there. We will comment the select by index and select by value methods for now, and we'll see how the select by visible text method going to work. And now we'll run the dropdown list.py file. We can see the Wednesday has been selected from the dropdown. Now we'll see select by index method. We will run dropdown list.py file. As we passed index as 2, it has selected Monday from the dropdown. We'll see the final method, that is select by value. Run dropdown list.py file. So we given a Friday value in a select by value method. You can see in a dropdown it has selected Friday option.